Hello students, my name is Vijeta. I am a science teacher. Today I am teaching you new topic force. Try to recall whatever activities you have done in a day or what are the activities which you do. I'll give you some examples. First of all, we all know that students like to play games. Here you can observe some of the games. Observe the game 1, cricket. Here bowler is throwing the ball and batsman will hit the ball. When he hit the ball moves in the direction of a bowler or some other direction. Now observe game 2, football. The player A passed the ball to player B. How he will do that? Player A kicked the ball in the direction of the player B. When you observe both the games, some action has done in different way. Can you guess what is it? Yes, good. That is force. Force is nothing but actions like hitting, kicking, lifting performed on an object. In game 1, hitting the ball is the force that we applied on a ball, and in game 2, kick is the force that player applied on a football. There are many actions that we can perform in our day-to-day life. Some more are like these activities. Observe the pictures. While riding a bicycle, we pedal it continuously to keep it in motion. Here, pedaling is a force that we applied on the bicycle. Next, hitting hammer on a nail. Here, hitting is the force applied on the nail. What about stopping moving ball? Yes, even stopping the ball means we are applying force on it. We apply force to stop the ball. Not only that, opening the drawer or door, plucking the string of a guitar, lifting the things are some of the other actions. So, performing actions on the object are nothing but applying force on them. We categorize all these actions into two basic ones. That is, we can describe all these actions under two actions, namely pushing and pulling. For example, when we open the drawer, we are simply pulling knob of a drawer to open it. Similarly, lifting or drawing a bucket of water from well, we are pulling bucket towards us. In pushing, actions such as passing the ball, hitting the hammer on the wall. Now we can say that force is nothing but push and pull applied on object. Definition of force. Push and pull applied on an object is called force, or force is what is applied on object to change its state. For example, walking. We lift our legs from one spot on the ground to another. Next, cutting wood. Our hands strike the wood with the axe. So, today we learnt about force. Here is assignment for you. You can try it at home. In the next part, we will continue where we left off. Thank you.